take it out of the press and see what kind of shape I got. It's been in there for a month. Got some clips of rail buggy hill climbing at the end if you want to stick around, check it out. It's pretty fun. I almost hate to take it out. If I put it back in there, it's too hard to get back in there. Oh. It's a wild rock. Ah, crap. Dang it, about took my knee out. There's some fossils. I don't think that is done a darn thing. So that's how much I gotta get that to bowl. Ain't no way. Man, I really want to use that too, because that knot right there would be wicked looking. What to do, what to do, what to do. I got an idea. Don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try it. I ain't got much to lose, so I'm gonna try to put a couple of relief cuts in it, then try to overstretch it, release the fibers in it, and see if that'll hold that position. See what go from there. Strap hooked to it. Alright, I got this one kind of set. Pre-notched a little bit. So I need to cut this out again. Got this side kind of cut out most of the chainsaw. So now it comes down to my chisel work. But forgot my good chisels. Took them with me so I could sharpen them. Forgot to bring them. All I got is my little old toolbox chisel. I don't know if it's sharp enough to chop this out or not. One thing about this one, I ain't worried about hitting the concrete as much. Doubt if it'll drop in there. Yeah, I see it. Dang it, I knew it. I got this one close. So you're gonna get some bark off of it. That corner. It's got it chainsaw cut in. Need to go back about another ½ inch. And do some chisel work on it. Get a fine dip. So you gotta get that notched in up there to match that side over there. Getting close, getting close. Went on a pretty good little ride yesterday on the rail buggy. And a couple others. If you want to stick around after this and watch it, I'll put a few little clips in. You can check it out. Sunday about 4 o'clock. Didn't get a lot done this weekend. Got my other handrail pretty much set. Got the bark stripped off of it. Got notched in good enough for the bring the chisel back next time. Forgot it. Chisel I had was a little toolbox chisel. And yeah, it's getting closer. So yeah, if you like you tuning in, glad you watched it. Subscribe, hit the share button, like button. Y'all know it. See you on the flip side. Have a good one. Yeah, I'm just going to show you 3 little quick hills we climbed today. Little short version of the ride. So hope you enjoy. Yeah, I had to give the dogs a ride. They want to go ride so bad. Wally goes, jumps in the buggy just like he always does. Ready to go. And the little one likes to ride too.
Woo, baby.
Woo! Well, that's what you call rail buggy riding. Show you what these things will really do sometimes for you. I usually use it mostly to drag firewood to the cabin and haul stuff around, stuff like that. Other people show up, we get to go ride, do some serious riding, climbing these hills and stuff. This is what we call Sherry Falls. Pretty steep, as you can tell. So, hope you liked it. Subscribe.